Notion updates with AI databases. In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. Notion has leveled up its database superpowers with Notion 3.0, released in September 2025, introducing Notion AI agents that can build, edit, and manage complex databases for you. Think of the agent as an AI teammate that handles multi-step work. You can speak to it in natural language and it will translate your intent into concrete actions. Ask it to build a new database from scratch, something like, build a CRM for tracking client interactions, and it will scaffold properties, views, and templates to get you started. It can also query and analyze data across multiple databases and connected apps to generate reports and insights. For example, you might ask, which accounts have notes mentioning European data residency? Beyond analysis, the agent can update content and properties, such as changing task statuses, and it can search external tools like Google Drive and Slack to gather helpful context before acting. Another major upgrade is AI Autofill properties. This lets Notion automatically populate database properties based on the page's content. It's excellent for summarizing long pages into a concise brief, extracting key information like action items, deadlines, or risks, or categorizing entries with select or multi-select options. Say, marking shopping items as groceries. You can even provide a custom prompt to generate tailored content right inside a property. A quick tip: write clear, specific prompts and review the first few results to calibrate tone and accuracy before rolling it out across many items. AI connectors bring your external tools into the picture. By connecting apps like Jira, GitHub, Slack, and Google Calendar, Notion AI can pull relevant details into its context, improving search, analysis, and reporting. The result is a more complete source of truth, where your databases reflect what's happening across your work ecosystem. You can access these features in 3 simple ways. From a new page, choose Build with AI when creating a new database to have the agent set things up from your prompt. If you prefer chat, open the AI icon in the bottom right corner or the left sidebar, then ask the agent to build, query, or update a database in plain English. Or, inside an existing database, add a new property and select Set up AI Autofill to configure summaries, key info extraction, or a custom prompt that runs automatically. Notion AI is available as an add-on to any paid plan, and it's included by default in business and enterprise tiers. For plan details and the latest updates, check the Notion AI product page. With a few thoughtful prompts, you'll turn manual database chores into automated workflows.